Embedding payments sounds simple, until it isn't. Bank onboarding takes months, compliance is complicated, and suddenly your product launch is delayed. Here's why. You're stitching together banks, processors, and compliance vendors that were never designed to work together. Until now, teams had to compromise. Traditional PSPs are card-centric, with higher fees and slower settlement. And stablecoin platforms are crypto-native and weren't designed to support fiat. This is why we built Payments, an integrated payment service provider giving companies one place to move money across fiat and stablecoin with built-in compliance. Modern Treasury orchestrates every payment across rails and records it in a real-time ledger, so balances, transactions, and payments are always up to date. You can go live in days with native support for fiat and stablecoins, all through a single API. Compliance? Handled. Let's see it in action. You onboard a customer, open a payment account. You accept a pay-in over ACH or RTP and send a payout via USDC, all within the same system. One API, one ledger, one compliance layer. Whether you start with our PSP or add your own bank as you grow, this is proven at scale. We've processed over $400 billion in payments and power some of today's most innovative companies. Modern Treasury. Move money from zero to scale.